Wang just graduated from college last summer. During the first several weeks after she got her college diploma, she was staying at her parents' house. Also, she didn't look for any job. After several days, she realized that she should start looking for a job. So she bought some newspapers and started looking for the right one. Since she was majoring in business in college, therefore she circled all kinds of jobs that are related to business. She went to several job interviews, but none of them called her back. She was a little disappointed. One day morning, before she went to another job interview.
Baby, wake up! It's time for interview.
No.
7:30 already.
7:30?
I saw your resume and felt you best fit this job, but I have one thing to ask you. Why did you apply for this job?
I'm interested in banking. I suit the best for this position. I studied business in college for 4 years. I will try my best to bring the most profitable interest to this company.
That's wonderful. I will think about it and give you a call.
Thank you.
Hello, is this Mary? I have a good news for you. You got this job and congratulations. I'm looking forward to see you.
I'm looking forward to see you too. Thank you. Yeah!